Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Ifa Amira and
I'm Noifita Samsuri.
today we are back with Today Breaking News. In today's rapidly growing digital economy, financial technology or Fintech has transformed the way people make payments, manage finance and access financial services. However, alongside this innovation, serious ethical concerns have emerged, particularly regarding the protection and misuse of consumer data. Why is this issue important and how does it affect society? Let's take a closer look.
Thank you. One of the most significant ethical issues in the fintech industry is data privacy and the misuse of customers' information. Fintech platforms require users to share sensitive personal and financial data, including identification details, bank account information, and transaction histories. If this data is not properly protected, it may lead to identity theft, financial fraud, and unauthorized transactions. This issue affects not only consumers but also fintech companies, regulators, and public trust in digital financial system.
Perluan untuk meminda Akta Perlindungan Data Pribadi dan ini saya jangka seawal bulan Disember atau selewat bulan Mac. Ini penting kerana kebanyakan daripada insiden scammer berlaku dengan maklumat yang telah dicuri oleh pihak yang tidak bertanggungjawab.
From a professional and ethical perspective, fintech practitioners have a strong responsibility to safeguard customer information. Key ethical principles such as integrity, confidentiality, fairness, and accountability must guide all fintech operations. Companies should implement robust cybersecurity measures, comply with data protection regulation, and act transparently in handling user data. By doing so, fintech professionals can maintain customer confidence and uphold ethical standards within the industry.
When data protection is neglected, the consequences can be severe. Consumers may suffer financial losses, while companies risk legal penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Therefore, fintech firms must continuously upgrade security systems, conduct regular audits, and educate users about digital safety. This action demonstrates professionalism and contribute to a safer and more ethical digital finance ecosystem.
In conclusion, data privacy remains one of the most critical ethical challenges in the fintech industry today. Ethics and professionalism are not optional, they are essential to protecting consumers and ensuring the long-term sustainability of digital financial services. This report highlights the importance of ethical fintech practices in building public trust and confidence. That's all from us from the breaking news.